Yo guys, welcome to Free Data Scientist. In this short video I will explain you how to create a panda series from a dictionary.
But wait a minute, what is a panda series? A panda series is generated from the Python module pandas. A panda series is like a column in a spreadsheet. This means that when we add several panda series, we create a pandas data frame. Therefore, to understand what is a data frame, you have to understand first what is a data series.
Thanks, Hal. As always, we have first to import our module. In here, we'll import it and import pandas as PD. Now we have to create our data. Let's call it D. We will generate this data from a dictionary. Therefore, we have to start with the index banana, which will contain the value 1. The index for value 2 will be orange, and our last index will be apple, which will have the value 3. For our dictionary number 2, which in this case we call it D_2, we will use the integers as the index. For example, here, index 1 will have the banana as a value, and index 2 will have value orange, and index 3 will have value apple. We are creating two examples with two data series with the same values but inverted because we want to see how the series forms with two different indexes. And there you go guys, we have our two dictionaries and we have to create now the series. We will start with the first one, call it s_1 equals pandas.series dictionary D, and the second series called s_2 equals pandas.series dictionary D_2. Now time to print the results. Print s_1 and print s_2. We open the console and run the script. Python series_2.py and enter. There you go guys. The results show two panda series with the same information but inverted index because of the data in our dictionary. It's a D-type object.
And please remember to follow us in all our social media, because if you want to become a free data scientist, you have to visit us. See you!